Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear, or do you suspect hidden damage after a storm? Don't wait until it's too late. Canopy Roofing INC provides expert roofing inspection in Miami, Florida to assess your roof's condition accurately. From missing shingles to water leaks, a damaged roof can lead to costly repairs if ignored. Whether you need minor fixes or a full roof replacement in Miami, Florida, our team at Canopy Roofing INC has you covered. When your roof needs urgent attention, trust our licensed roof repair services contractor in Miami, Florida. We use premium materials and proven techniques to restore your roof's durability and protect your home. In addition to our expert re-roofing services, we also offer thorough roof inspections. Whether you need an inspection for insurance purposes or you're buying a new home that requires a detailed roof assessment, our team is here to help. We also specialize in waterproofing for flat roofs, offering an added layer of protection to ensure your roof stays durable and secure. For severely damaged or aging roofs, a complete roof replacement in Miami, Florida is the best long-term solution. Canopy Roofing INC offers durable, weather-resistant roofing systems tailored to Miami's climate.